You think you're trading crypto, but right now, you're trading war. And if you still look at Bitcoin like a normal safe asset, you're probably missing the real driver. In this video, I'll show you what actually moves crypto now, from oil spikes and the Hormuz situation to decisions from Donald Trump that can shift the market in minutes. Because the market has changed. Crypto is no longer just an investment idea. It became a real-world tool for payments, pressure, and speculation. Take the Hormuz Strait, a key shipping route controlled by Iran, where a big part of the world's oil passes. Because of the war and rising tensions, traffic there dropped sharply, even after ceasefire talks. And here's where it gets serious. There have been reports that Iran may charge millions for passage and even consider payments in crypto in these high-risk conditions. And all of this depends on political decisions, statements, deadlines. Negotiations can escalate or calm the situation and instantly move global markets. And in situations like this, traditional systems slow down or break. Crypto is faster, more flexible, and sometimes it becomes the only way to move money. This didn't start today. Countries under pressure have already used crypto for international payments, so this system has been building for years. Now connect it to your trades. War to oil goes up, oil to inflation to pressure on markets, and that includes crypto. And what actually moves the market day to day? Decisions, statements, deadlines. When global leaders change direction, markets react instantly. That's the environment you're trading in. And there's another layer. These events are not just happening, they're being traded. Some platforms now let people trade real-world events, from elections to ceasefires. So crypto became three things at once: a payment system, a workaround under pressure, and a trading layer for global events, all inside one market. So if you think you're just trading charts, you're not. You're trading a global system driven by real-world events. And this is the key takeaway. If the market is driven by global events, you can't look at just one asset anymore. Traders are already watching oil, stocks, gold, not just crypto. So if you want to understand this market better, you need to do the same. On Margex, you can trade crypto and assets like gold in one place. Check the link in the pinned comment.